Hello. Thank you for calling DP Doctor's Consultation. I'm AvaCare, your virtual health assistant. I'll ask a few quick questions to understand your concern and help connect you with the right doctor.
Can you tell me who are you and what you will do?
Sure thing. I'm your virtual health assistant, here to help you figure out your medical concerns quickly. I'll ask you a few questions about your symptoms or needs, and then I'll connect you with the right doctor or advice. Think of me as your friendly guide to get the care you need, fast and easy.
So, if I tell you symptoms, would you connect me to the best doctor?
Exactly. Once you share your symptoms, I'll use that info to find the best suited doctor or specialist for your situation. I'll help you get connected so you can get answers and feel better fast.
Oh, thank you. Yes, I will call you later. Thank you.
You've got it. Whenever you're ready, I'll be here to help. Take care and talk to you soon.
So, in this video, we will create a AI agent for the phone calls. So, we will use phone SDK that is the best for communication and AI agents. So, for example, you want agent that pick calls on for you. So you can use this for assistance, help query, support, or appointment booking. So this agent will talk to the humans and ask and do the work that you will ask or tell them. So I will sign up with Google, and there is just a simple way to create agents. So this is the dashboard, and I will switch to agents. So these are the also free balance that you can use, and I will switch to agents, and then build and agents. Here you can create a new agent, add a new agent, and these are the details, and I have also detail that I will enter. So I will give it a name Caroline, and this is also description that I have written from ChatGPT, and I will paste it, and you can also enhance. So it will write a perfect system prompt, and it will ask the rules, goals, and what the agent will do. And here is the welcome message. I will paste here, and a closing message. So these are the importance, and you can also check this JSON editor. This is the all things are showing here, and I will go to pipeline, and here select the model provider, Google or OpenAI. So I will use Google, and you have to enter the API. I have already entered the Gemini API. You can get from Google Studio. So select this model, and these are some cascading. You can also check this. Now you have to add knowledge base, and it will have a PDF or document. Go to knowledge base, and click on this, and give it a name, Caroline agent. You can write it from ChatGPT also. Paste it, upload, and I will go to agents. So this is the one I am working on, and assign the knowledge base to this agent. You can also select any knowledge base that you have added. So I will just add the Caroline agent and assign. And you can also unassign or assign more documents. Now next, and you have to set telephonic configuration inbound and outbound that will handles the calls and numbers of the phone agent. So for the number you can use 12 and create account. You will get also free credit, and you can buy also numbers. So you can also buy number from here, buy a number. So you can select any number from here and buy it. You also will have free credits when you sign up for first time. So I am purchasing this number. So go to configure. So I will use a SIP trunk. So search here for SIP trunk and elastic SIP trunk. Click on that. So create a new SIP trunk and give it a friendly name. For example, Caroline or testing. So Caroline and create. So you can go to numbers and add a number to this SIP trunk. I will add the number that I have purchased, this one, add select, and I will use this number to the phone agent. Set up inbound and give it a number, and you can also add more numbers and give it a name. Testing inbound or testing or airline, you can give anything. Testing to value, and you can also add the text and leave the auth settings, and you have to do optional settings. Select region and copy this the URL. This is the important one, and create inbound gateway and go to this orientation, and here add this link orientation SIP URL and add. You have to write a SIP and colon and add this. So we have set up the inbound. Now we will set up the outbound. So outbound and set up outbound, and go to termination, and here write any SIP URL. Give it for your agent or something, and you will use this URL in outbound. So copy this and also give it a number. So I have to do again the numbers and give it a name. Caroline or testing outbound. And auth settings, you have to add these username and password, and you have to create here credentials lists. Give it a friendly name and give it also username and password. So I am writing here so I don't forget it. Caroline 1, Caroline 1 and Caroline 8 1 2 3. Then create. So I will use this username and password in the outbound. Save this and write here the username here line 1 and the password that I have copied, and click on create outbound gateway. So we have set up the inbound and outbound. These are the main settings, and there are still some other settings that you can use tools in advance, but I will not use this and update. And now you can deploy this agent. You can deploy and test and also use it. You can select any region also. Click on deploy. So our agent has deployed and we will test. So you can also connect and you can use this numbers for this phone agent. All the calls to this number are automatically routed to this agent, and you can also use this outbound for the testing also. You will write here a number, for example your number, and it will call, this agent will call to your number.
Hello. Thank you for calling DP Doctor's Consultation. I'm AvaCare, your virtual health assistant. I'll ask a few quick questions to understand your concern and help connect you with the right doctor.
Can you tell me who are you and what you will do?
Sure thing. I'm your virtual health assistant, here to help you figure out your medical concerns quickly. I'll ask you a few questions about your symptoms or needs, and then I'll connect you with the right doctor or advice. Think of me as your friendly guide to get the care you need, fast and easy.
So if I tell you symptoms, would you connect me to the best doctor?
Exactly. Once you share your symptoms, I'll use that info to find the best suited doctor or specialist for your situation. I'll help you get connected so you can get answers and feel better fast.
Oh, thank you. Yes, I will call you later. Thank you.
You've got it. Whenever you're ready, I'll be here to help. Take care and talk to you soon.